The learning management system market is growing at an incredible pace. Today, the global LMS industry is valued at nearly $30 to $35 billion, and experts predict it could cross $100 billion within the next couple of years. And the reason is clear. Businesses are investing heavily in employee upskilling. Universities are moving toward digital learning ecosystems. And learners now expect AI-powered, mobile-first, and personalized education experiences. This shift has created massive demand for custom LMS development services because companies no longer want rigid, one-size-fits-all platforms. They want scalable learning ecosystems tailored to their users, workflows, analytics, and business goals. At iTechnolabs, we help startups, enterprises, universities, and EdTech brands build modern AI-powered LMS platforms designed for engagement, scalability, and long-term growth. Let's take a quick look at features of our LMS solution we recently designed and developed for our client. This platform includes a powerful admin dashboard with real-time analytics, learner engagement tracking, revenue insights, AI-generated recommendations, and advanced reporting tools. We also developed a complete user management system where administrators can manage instructors, learners, permissions, and engagement metrics from a centralized interface. For instructors, the platform provides dedicated dashboards with lesson drop-off tracking, learner retention analytics, quiz performance metrics, engagement heat maps, and AI-powered optimization suggestions. The course management system allows instructors to create structured modules, upload video lessons, add quizzes, manage learning materials, and organize content using AI-assisted tagging. On the learner side, we created a modern mobile-first experience where users can continue courses, track progress, maintain learning streaks, and receive personalized recommendations. One of the standout features is the integrated AI learning assistant that helps learners understand concepts, answer questions contextually, and create a more interactive learning experience. The platform also includes smart certification systems with downloadable certificates, QR verification, LinkedIn sharing, and digital credential management. This is the future of LMS software development. AI-powered, data-driven, scalable, and built for personalized learning. If you're looking for a trusted LMS development company or need custom LMS development services, let's connect and discuss. Link is in description.